Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Ananda Ramanakim, and I will explain about autoscaling fundamentals. First of all, what is autoscaling? Autoscaling is an automatic process to adjust the number of instances based on real-time needs. The instance is the virtual server that runs on cloud providers infrastructure like AWS, Google Clouds, Alibaba Clouds, etc. The advantage of autoscaling are add resource during high traffic, reduce resource when demand decrease, ensure system availability, and optimize application performance. The components of autoscaling are launch configuration to manage resource specification like operating system, storage, etc. And then autoscaling group to manage a group of instance. And then scaling policies to define when and how scaling occurs. And the last is monitoring tools to trigger alarms based on thresholds. And then there are three modes on autoscaling. First is dynamic scaling to adjust instance based on real-time metrics like CPU usage, memory usage, network traffic, and etc. And then the schedule scaling to execute based on a set schedule. And the last is manual scaling. Administrator can manually adjust the instance. How autoscaling works? First, from mobile or PC, connecting to server load balancer. From server load balancer, configure it to scaling group. Autoscaling adds instance if high demand and remove instance if low demand. Health check in autoscaling. When an instance is unhealthy, first health check receive a response indicate that an instance is unhealthy or no response at all. And then an unhealthy instance is moved into the timeout, and then the new instance temporary place to the unhealthy instance, and then the unhealthy instance in timeout recovers and provides a response to a health check, and then the new health instance put back into the scaling group, and the temporary instance is will remove. Next, auto scaling key concepts. The first is scaling group. Scaling group is the set of AJS or container instance. And then scaling configuration is instance resource definition. And then scaling rule is the trigger for scaling activity. Scaling activity is the process to execute scaling process. And then scaling text to monitor through cloud monitor and cooldown time to prevent frequent scaling. Scaling group operation. First is creation. Define scaling group and policies, and then query and modify, update group settings, and then deletion to remove scaling group, and its setting, and then enable or disable trigger group activity. And then the other operations are scaling configuration. In scaling configuration, the operations are create the templates when the instance automatically add or scaling out, and then modify to update the scaling configurations, and then delete to remove the templates of scaling configuration. And then in scaling rule, the operations are create the specific action like add or remove instance, update and remove rules to update and remove from scaling rule, and then triggering text are execute the scaling rule, and then attach provides or revive the instance, and then remove EGS instance from scaling group. And the last is schedule text. In schedule text, the operations are create auto scaling computing resource, and modify and delete to update and remove schedule events. Okay, thanks for watching, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.